Hey guys, what's up? So I hope you guys had a good day yesterday and a good day so far today. So I know that I had gone on here yesterday to do pretty much an unbagging from Sephora. Well, today I had decided, I'm sorry for the noise, that's my dog getting some water. He just came inside. So, I decided to go just drive around, and I ended up in Morgantown. So I got a couple things over in Ulta. So with all topics going on and everything, okay, other than like posting something on YouTube, I watch YouTube channels and watch dude, what's going on? Dog was making some weird noises. So I was like watching people do dumpster diving, and I was like, dude, I want to try this. Has anyone that watches my channel or watches any of my videos, do any of you guys do that? Because if so, then tell me the deets. Like, I would like to know. So I want to just jump in this bag. I only have 2 things in here. I'm really excited about their like newer items. So I got the ColourPop Nude Mood, which I thought was super cute. I saw this online and I was like, oh my gosh, I love the colors. I did not get the other one because of course they weren't in stock. So, I mean, obviously couldn't very well go and get it. So they're very super like nude colors and I love them. They're like gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So I'll quickly do a quick swatch. I love how they feel too. They're so like nice and smooth and buttery. But I have seriously been thinking about like trying it out, and how like I was like, dang, I really want to know, you know? Like, I see people do like this brand this place. I have just really was thinking about it today. Just do something different, you know? But I don't know. I really would. Well, I go back to work tomorrow. So I'm so I just don't think. Well, I was thinking about trying, I'm sorry, I just train of thought here. Okay, so I was thinking about going and trying to do it today in the broad daylight, obviously, which is not a very smart idea to do, because I was like, man, I really just want to go and try it. So I was thinking about doing it, and then I overthought it, and I was like, okay, I better not do it. I just am gonna go home. So yeah, that's what I did. I just went home. And then I was like, man, I should have just went and do it. Because I think I saw someone do it, or saw someone in the back of the building, and I was like, okay, maybe I should. But I didn't. I chickened out. So I didn't do it. But I was really debating about it. I was so close. So I was like, okay, probably would be a smarter idea if I had someone with me. So I thought about, oh man, maybe I should just go to my fiance and be able to ask him like, hey, so there's something I want to try to do. Just to like try to do it. Okay, so this is the Nude Moods palette that I had swatched for you guys. All the colors in here, super pretty, super cute. I hope you guys liked it, or like the swatches that I've done. I thought they're gorgeous colors, great pigmentations and everything like that. So I just, but yeah, give me the comments, give me the details. Like, do you guys do it? Do you like doing it? Do you find anything good? And it's not just makeup areas. It could be in possibly other places. Who knows? But if you guys, I'm thinking about doing a look for ColourPop and everything, just to try it out. All right, so my next thing that I had gotten over in Ulta is the 35-1 Icy Fantasy in Morphe. So it's the artistry palette. I saw the colors and they were gorgeous, and I was like, oh man, I gotta get this. I gotta try it out because the colors are so pretty. So here is packaging. It's nice and smooth. It's very, very slick. But I just had to try it. I had to show you guys. So of course, here's a sleeve with the names. I hate when they don't like put the names on there. But look at all these gorgeous colors. So like pastel-y. Like it reminds me of a freaking Easter. Like Easter colors. Like seriously, Easter. Oh man, I really want to try some. All right. I'm gonna do the shimmery green. Ooh, and they're so nice and soft. Like, look at that pigmentation. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, love it. All right, this blue. So I'm watching that. Look at that blue one right there. Ooh, so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna do this pink right there. I'm gonna do this other green. There's that green right there. One more finger. I'm gonna do a matte. So I'm gonna do this color right there. All right, so. Ooh. Okay. Look at the pretty colors, you guys. Like, check it out. Like, like Easter colors, you guys. Easter's coming right up. This is like the best palette ever. Like, no freaking. I'm gonna do a couple more. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do this white shimmer that's so gorgeous. Let's try another matte. Do that. This color. And then this color. All right, so here are my 5 colors. I love these colors, they're so pretty. Ooh, that color is so gorgeous. Apparently I'm going crooked. All right, so it's these colors that are right here that I just did. Aren't those so pretty? Like the shimmers and everything. Oh, I love it. I'll probably come on here later and do like either ColourPop or Morphe look. I don't know. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure that you hit that like button, that subscribe, and also a comment if you guys like me. I really appreciate it. I know I'm just starting this journey and everything. If you guys have any ideas about the dumpster diving, I definitely would like to try it out and see how it goes. Literally, like, I really want to try it out, and I'm just so scared. I'm a chicken shot. But if any of you guys have any ideas about anything, let me know and give me those comments and everything. I really appreciate anything. Comments, subscribe, and likes as well. This journey, I just started it, obviously, but I'd like to add more content to this, and not just like makeup reveal, like makeup unboxings or tutorials, stuff like that. I want to try and do or add more content like everyone else is doing. Well, not everyone, but like there's some areas that people do, and I'm really wanting to try and like have something or do something, and I don't know. Give me some ideas. Give me some comments on there. So you guys can, if you guys want to see something or have me do something, I will definitely put it in very high remarks and think about it and see what I can do. Maybe sooner or maybe very soon I can go ahead and do that. I don't know, there's just a lot of things going on and a lot of thinking to do. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys liked these two things. I might do a video soon, so whatever product you guys would like me to try on, I would definitely consider whichever one. Just make sure that you guys give me the comments, the Nude Mood from ColourPop or the 35i Icy Fantasy, which is reminding me of a freaking Easter egg or Easter time, I swear, or Fairyland. But yeah, give me those likes, those comments, and the subscribes. I really appreciate everything that you guys do for me. Right now I have 7 subscribers, which is amazing. I know it's not much, but you know what? I'm still growing. It's okay. So if I hit that 50 mark, I do have some giveaways back here, and once I hit that 50 mark, of course, I will have you guys be entered in a drawing, and yeah. So let's have a good day, and I will see you guys very, very, very soon. Bye.